You've probably heard that sardines are a superfood. Packed with omega-3s, calcium, and protein, they're a powerhouse for your heart and bones. But what if the way you're eating them is making them less powerful, or even wasting their best parts? The truth is, most people unintentionally sabotage their sardines. They commit simple errors in the kitchen that strip away nutrition, ruin the flavor, and turn this incredible fish into a bland, mediocre meal. Think about your last can. Did you rinse them thinking you were making them healthier? Did you pick out the soft bones unaware you were tossing the most mineral-rich part? Or did you leave the leftovers in the open can, letting them spoil by lunchtime? These aren't just small mistakes, they're the reason many people give up on sardines altogether. But with a few simple fixes, you can transform them from a forgotten pantry item into your go-to superfood. In this guide, we're exposing the 8 most common sardine blunders and how to fix them. Let's dive in and start with mistake number 8. 8. Rinsing the sardines before eating. Many people aiming to reduce sodium pour the sardines into a colander and rinse them under water. This is a major nutritional misstep. The precious omega-3 fatty acids are not just in the fish, they are also dissolved in the packing oil. Rinsing washes away these healthy fats, along with water-soluble vitamins like B12. Furthermore, you are rinsing away a significant amount of the flavor. The sodium in the can is partly what preserves the fish and enhances its taste. A better approach to managing sodium is to simply not consume all the packing liquid, or to choose low-sodium versions from the start. Rinsing diminishes both the health benefits and the culinary experience. 7. Choosing water-packed over oil-packed. While water-packed may appear lighter, this choice sacrifices taste and nutritional value. Sardines are an excellent source of fat-soluble omega-3s, which your body utilizes more effectively when consumed with dietary fats. The oil, particularly high-quality olive oil, acts as a preservative, deepens the flavor, and facilitates the uptake of nutrients. Water packing, conversely, can result in a less appealing texture and taste over time. The solution: select sardines canned in a superior oil such as olive oil. The advantages of enhanced nutrient absorption and richer flavor justify the modest extra calories. To manage calorie intake, you may drain some of the oil, yet you will retain the benefits of improved preservation and taste. 6. Discarding the soft bones. This is perhaps the biggest nutritional blunder. The soft, edible bones are where the majority of the sardines' calcium and phosphorus reside. These minerals are crucial for bone density and health, especially as we age. These bones are so soft and finely integrated that they are completely undetectable when eaten. They simply dissolve into the fish. By picking them out or avoiding them, you are throwing away a powerful bioavailable source of bone-building minerals that is often more effective than a supplement. Embrace the whole fish skin, bones, and all to get the full spectrum of benefits that make sardines such a unique superfood. 5. Leaving opened cans too long. Once you pop the lid, the clock starts ticking. Exposure to air causes the delicate oils to oxidize, degrading both flavor and valuable omega-3s. Sardines in water spoil fastest within 24 hours, while those in oil last 2 to 3 days in the fridge. Never leave them in the opened can, as the exposed metal can speed up spoilage and cause a metallic taste. Transfer leftover sardines immediately to an airtight glass or plastic container and refrigerate. Consume within a couple of days. Only open what you plan to eat soon. This simple step preserves the quality and ensures you're getting the maximum nutritional value from every bite. 4. Ignoring expiration and storage rules. Canned food doesn't last forever. Heat, light, and humidity are enemies. Storing sardines in a sunny spot or a warm pantry speeds up the breakdown of the can and the fish inside, leading to oxidized, rancid oils and nutrient loss. Sardines packed in acidic liquids like tomato sauce break down faster than oil-packed ones. The fix: store unopened cans in a cool, dark, dry place. Check expiration dates and inspect cans for bulging, rust, or dents before opening. Rotate your stock, using acidic varieties first. Proper storage is a non-negotiable step for maintaining both safety and quality. 3. Eating them only, straight from the can. While convenient, eating sardines plain can get boring, and limits their nutritional potential. They are incredibly versatile and can elevate many dishes. Repetition is a fast track to food fatigue, causing you to abandon this healthy habit altogether. Get creative, mash them into spreads with avocado or yogurt. Top toast with capers, onions, or tomatoes. Toss into pasta sauces or stir-fries at the last minute. Add to scrambled eggs or omelets for a nutrient-packed breakfast. Combining them with other foods like vitamin C-rich vegetables can enhance nutrient absorption and keep your meals exciting. Thinking all sardines. Taste the same. Sardines vary widely in flavor and texture based on their origin, season, and packing medium. Atlantic sardines differ from Mediterranean or Pacific varieties. Those packed in high-quality olive oil develop deeper flavors over time. Some are lightly smoked for a savory depth. Writing off all sardines after one mediocre tin is like judging all cheese by a single slice of processed American. Don't write them off after one bad experience. Experiment with different brands, origins like Portuguese or Spanish, and packing styles oil, tomato sauce, mustard to find your favorite. Your palate may prefer the firm texture of a specific region or the subtle smokiness of a particular brand. 1. Overlooking the quality of the packing oil. Many people check the fish but ignore the liquid it's swimming in. If the ingredients list says vegetable oil or soybean oil, you are introducing inflammatory, highly processed omega-6 fats into your body, which can counteract the anti-inflammatory benefits of the sardines' omega-3s. The quality of the packing medium is as important as the quality of the fish itself. Always read the label. Prioritize sardines packed in extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or their own natural juices. Avoid those in refined seed oils. Spending a little more on a brand that uses high-quality oil ensures you are getting a pure, health-promoting product from the can. So there you have it. 8 common mistakes that can turn a nutritional powerhouse into a bland or even less healthy meal. The good news is that each one has a simple fix. By choosing the right can, storing them properly, and getting creative in the kitchen, you can unlock the full potential of these tiny fish. Remember, it's the small details like not rinsing them and eating the bones that make the biggest difference. Sardines are a convenient, affordable, and incredibly healthy food, but only if you treat them right. If this guide helped you see sardines in a new light, do us a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe for more simple food science tips, and share this with a friend who might be making these mistakes. We love hearing from you, so tell us in the comments, what's your favorite way to enjoy sardines?